Hello, in this video today we see how to find out the square of 3-digit number. In last video we see the square and square root of the 2-digit number. Now today here we see 3 digits square, today we see the 3-digit squares. In this 3-digit square, how to find out the 3-digit square on Abacus. For example, when we find out the any 3-digit square, always start this calculation from the sixth rod of the abacus. When we find out the 3-digit square, always start this calculation from the sixth rod of abacus. As we consider here, the number is ABC square. As we find out the square of ABC, then what is the first step here? We start this square. We start this square from the sixth rod. Always start from the sixth rod. Okay. Now, what is the first step in that? First step is a square. A square. When we go on the sixth rod, first we go on sixth rod and we add a square. Always put the answer of the a square is on the sixth rod and fifth rod only. Okay, a square should be on the sixth and fifth rod. After that, next step is 2 into a into b. 2 into a into b is the next step, and this answer should be on the fifth and fourth rod. Fifth and fourth rod. Next step is the b square. B square plus 2ac. 2ac. B square plus 2ac. When we solve this calculation, first we find out the b square, after that 2ac, and then we add these two number and we put this answer on the fourth and third rod. Fourth and the third rod. This is the third step for finding the square. What is the fourth step in that? 2bc. The first step is 2bc, and answer should be on the third and second rod. Answer should be on the third and the second rod. And what is the last step in that? The a square is done, b square is also done. What is the last step? Should be c square. C square. And answer should be on the second rod and first rod. First rod. What is this? Sixth rod, fifth, fourth, third, once, second, and once. Like this, we can find out the square of 3-digit number easily. Always start from the sixth rod. Okay. Now, for example, if we take one example, an example is 283 square. Now, 283 square, we start this multiplication or the square from the sixth rod. So put your finger on the sixth rod. And what is the first step? First step is 2 square. First step is 2 square. A square, this is A, this is B, and this is C. So A square, is 4. We add 4 as 0, 4, like this, 0 on the sixth rod and 4 on the fifth rod. Okay. Now the second step is 2AB. 2 into 8. 2 into 2 into 8. What will be the answer? 2 into 2, 4. 4 is the 32. So we add 32 on the fifth and fourth rod. We go on fifth rod, we add 30 on that rod and 2 on the next rod. Third step is b square plus 2ac. That means We first find the square of 8, then 2ac, 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3. And what is the answer? 8 square is 64 and 2 into 2 4, 4 3 is 12 and answer is 76. This answer we add on the fourth and third rod. We add 70 on this rod and 6 on the next rod like this. What is the fourth step? Must you remember that when we solve the third step, first find out the b square, then find out the 2ac, and then we add this number and put the number on the fourth and third rod. Now what is the fourth step is 2bc. 2bc is nothing but the 2 into 8 into 3. 2 into 8 into 3. What is the 2 into 8 into 3? This is 16, 3 is 48. And 48 we add on the third second rod, 40 on this rod and 8 on the second rod. Okay, and last step is of the c square and is 3 square is again 9. So we add 0, 9 like this. So answer will be on second and ones rod. So 0 on this rod and 9 on the ones rod. The answer is 80089. The answer is 80089. Like this we can find out the square of 3-digit number easily by this formula. In that, remember the rod numbers. Always put the answer on this rod. Always put the number 1-digit number at the 04. Okay, when we add, we use this rule or apply this rule properly, then we get the correct answer easily and fast. This is 3-digit square. Thank you.